Hola, soy la señora Vaz. I am Mrs. Vaz, your Spanish teacher. I will be with you for 6 weeks this term, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the class. And I wanted you to meet me, and I want to meet you. So that's why I am going to show you a little bit about the class and a little bit about what we're doing and a little bit about um, our Canvas page. So we learn a little bit of everything today. The first thing I wanted to tell you is the exploratory Spanish. It's a class where you're going to learn about the culture, some vocabulary, some words in Spanish, and maybe pronounce some and listen to some. And it's very, very basic, and I hope you enjoy it, and I know I'm going to enjoy it. So let's move to the Canvas page. This is how your Canvas page is set up. So you're always going to be in this part. You're going to click home. Do not go to the other ones because sometimes that's how it throws us out of the right path. So you're going to be in the home page. In the home page, you're going to find some modules. And in these modules, you're going to find the syllabus right here, the office hours, and some things that we learned when we started this year because everything was new. We didn't have a pandemic before, so here's some things that we learned during the first at the beginning of the year. Also, I put this section. This is new for my Canvas page. Is the frequent asked questions because some of my students had questions and they asked me. Different students asked me the same question. So I say, okay, well, that means that many students had the same doubt. So I just went ahead and made a frequent asked questions section so you can find information here on what to do and how to do it. So, for example, how to submit screenshots when you have to do it, Google slide presentation, and I made videos there, very, very short videos that you can go and look, and then it's going to help you with your work. This is how it's going to be set up. You have weeks. So let's concentrate a little bit on this one. You see, it says semana. Oh, Miss Bass, that's Spanish. I don't know what that means. Okay, let me tell you, it means week. So week from 29th of September to 2nd of October. So this is your class plans for this week. So that's all that you're going to concentrate now. These ones are not published yet. I need to change dates and all that. So they are not published. You don't have to worry about those. So you are going to click on today's class plan. So today, if this is the week from the 29th of September to the 2nd of October, if the 29th is a Tuesday. So martes must mean Tuesday. There you go. You're learning your first words in Spanish. Okay, so let's click that. This is how it looks. So this is your first day in this class and you're going to work on a presentation. First thing you do every day is to report your attendance. You just need to click here and complete the form, and that's reporting your attendance. But also, remember that you have to connect every day. So I'm going to be checking attendance at the beginning of the class, and I put that in my welcome video that I put in your announcements. Okay, so there's the welcome video. You already watched it. And then we're gonna work in our first assignment. Our first assignment is because I want to know about you. I want to meet you. So it says about me, part 1. It says watch the instructional video and follow the directions. Here where it says instructional video, you're gonna find this video I'm recording right now. And here's your guide to complete the work. So I put these two documents that you're gonna need. When you click there, it takes you to the basics of what you're doing today. So it talks about when I grow up. When I grow up. And you're going to make a Google slide about that. And what makes me tick? What makes me tick? What keeps me moving? What motivates me? So you have, in this what makes me tick, you have 5 questions. So it has what inspires me, what I dream about, What is my cause? And my cause means something that I would like to defend, I would like to fight for, something that inspired me so much that I want to help. That's a cause. And then you have my favorite thing to do. You have things that are your favorite things to do, but then you have something that you love the most. So that's how you're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you later how that goes. This is the instructions of what you're doing. You will create a presentation about yourself. Your presentations must have 7 slides for 140 points. The title of the presentation and your name is 20 points. And then the what makes me tick, that is the 5 questions I show you, is for 50 points. Then you are going to make a slide for each one of these. One for this, one for this, one for this, one for this, and one for this. And that's it. That's 10 points each. I'm going to give you 10 more points if your slide is complete. And I'm going to give you 10 more points if it is on time. So those are 20 extra points that you are going to add if you do it on time. So it may still be a little confusing what to do. So I made an example. Here's my example. It's very simple. I created a Google presentation about me, Senora Vaz. So in my first slide, I have what inspires me. This inspires me. What I dream about. This is what I dream about. What is my cause? This is my cause. What I love the most. This one. And my favorite thing to do. This one. So I got my 5 questions there in the first slide. In the next slide, I'm going to put, well, I'm already grown up. So, but you're going to put, when I grow up. When I grow up. You're going to talk what you want to be when you grow up. Well, I want to be an engineer. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a farmer. So whatever you want to be, you're going to put here, and you're going to put an image. It doesn't have to be your image. It may be that somebody, because I'm already grown up, so that's why I put my image. But you can put a picture of, you want to be a doctor, you can just find a picture of a doctor and put it right there. So that will be your third slide. Then where I want to live. So I want to live in what house? I put my house because I like to live here. Then what you want to drive, and then you put your picture. Remember that all of them need pictures. What is going to be my pet? What kind of pet do I want? So you just put your pet there. I put my Max and my Bella. That are my 2 doggies. And then if I could change the word, I would, and then you complete. If I could change the word, what would I do? What I would change? So you're going to put your picture right here. Okay? Then you're going to change the share settings. And then you're going to submit on Canvas. There's going to be a button here that is going to show you. It says submit work. You click there and then you paste the URL. If you don't know, remember, read, complete, and submit the syllable. Okay. So if you don't know how to create a Google slide like the one that Mrs. Bass created, then you go right here and say, how do I make a Google slide presentation? And you can look at that. If you don't know how to submit the assignment on Canvas, once you finish, you come here and you check, how do I submit an assignment on Canvas? And if you don't know how to change the share settings so your teacher can see it and can grade it, then you just go here. So that's one of the options. The other option is you're connected to the class, you ask me, and I show you. So anyways, you can find the answers for your questions. All right, so that is all for now. I hope that we have a good time. And please don't hesitate to ask me questions that you have. Let's don't fall behind on work. I will be telling you about late work if necessary, but I hope that everybody turns in the work on time. The work is to be done during the class time, and we have class at 2:50. 2:50 every day. So we start at 2:50, we end around 4:05. So please connect so we can stay in touch, and you can ask me all the questions you have. All right. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.